guys, what's up? I'm Jason Arland and today I'm gonna teach you how to achieve this fire look. It's all about red wing, lashes and a nude lip and lots of highlighter, just the way I like it. If you want to know how to achieve this look, keep on watching. So I'm gonna use the Game Face CHISEL palette. I'm gonna go with the bronze just to add definition on my crease and more warmth and shape. Next, I'm gonna take BUTTERLICIOUS Shea Butter Creamy Matte Lipsticks, the newest lip collection by MyGlamm. And it's so cool that it's matte and it just stays. And I'm gonna do something a little crazy. I'm gonna basically draw a wing. So I'm gonna take high voltage on a flat brush and then draw a fierce wing. Next, I'm gonna use the THREESOME mascara by MyGlamm to add more drama on my lashes and to this look. No look is complete without the perfect highlighter, so I'm gonna use the highlighter from the CHISEL Game Face palette, the bronze gold one, and I'm gonna just go on the highest point of my face and just bring out all my features. Last, just throw a nude gloss, and I'm using the Beauty Shot by Color Fusion by MyGlamm. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such content. We're gonna meet soon next. Till then, stay cute.